Number 17 is a trig function one. So I have a sine, I have a cosine. I want to let u equal the one that has the power. So let's let u equal sine of x. And then if we take the derivative, that is cosine of x dx. So my substitution is going to look like this. So that's going to be u to the fourth because the sine was raised to the fourth power, and the cosine x dx gets replaced with du. So if I integrate that, that's u to the fifth over 5 plus c, which then I can replace it with the trig function. Plus c. So definitely not too bad with these trig function ones. Again, you want to let u equal the trig function that has the power.